Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am So with Posh Fit. Thanks for stopping by. So this channel is all about fashion tutorial, fashion lifestyle, and fashion tips and hacks. So if that sounds like your thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So today I'm going to be showing how to make this top I'm wearing, where you have the gather effect on one part. So if you've been seeing this style and you've been wondering how they came up with it, you watch this video and you will understand. And please, if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section and I'll be right there to answer your question. So let's dive right in. For this tutorial, I'll be using 1 yard of fabric. So 1 yard is enough for the style. So for your pattern, when drafting your pattern needs to be on fold. As you can see, my pattern is on fold. So you draft out your basic pattern and trace it out using your tracing wheel to the other side, and then you trace it out too on the other side. So this is what you would have. So to create the style, on the shoulder line, you have to measure 1 inch from the neck width. After the 1 inch, then you measure out 0.75. As you can see, we have the marking in 5 places. So after that, I'm not using the first line. I'm going to connect the second line to the bust point line. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now. I'll connect it to the second line. So after doing that, you come up by 1 inch here. 1 inch, that I'm trying to create an angle there. You share the 1 inch, half inch on both sides, half inch on this side and half inch on the other side. Then you draw out this triangle, you get this triangle shape. So after doing this, you connect the other line to the first line you have on the shoulder line. You connect it to the first line. That means the one you came in by 1 inch. So now you're going to connect it down to the side. For the other one too, you connect it to the third point. So this is what you would have. So we've connected the 3 dots. Now you move to the other side of the pattern, and you're not going to connect it to the first line. Connect to the second line, to the bust point. As you can see what I'm doing. So after that, you also come up by 1 inch, the same thing we did on the left hand side. Come up by 1 inch, half inch on both sides. Then you rule to get your angle. Then you connect to the first line and connect the other one to the tip of the shoulder line. You connect it to the tip. So the next thing we'll be doing is creating the same angle we created on the left hand side. So when you're done with this, you would have to open up, slash the line open for you to be able to close the darts. So now I'm gonna slash this lines open. Oh, I forgot to cut out my pattern. So that's what I'm doing right here, trying to cut out my pattern. Like I said, you have to slash the lines open for you to be able to open up your burst and waist dart. That helps you spread the pattern out. So you can see I'm cutting out the waist dart. I close the burst dart and I close the waist dart. Now slash the remaining line open. So you can see we're done with the left hand side. We'll move to the right hand side. You slash open for you to be able to close the burst dart and the waist dart here. So I slashed out my waistline and I'll just close them up. So looking at the pattern, you can see the burst dart area, we need to fill it up. So just add the pattern paper to it to balance it out. So I'm doing it for the both side. I'm tapping it down on my pattern paper. So you roll it out now, cut out. So that's what we have there. So now you can see our pattern. So we'll get the brown paper and place it underneath. You can get any paper of your choice to help you spread it out. So you spread it out on another pattern paper. As you can see what I'm doing here, I've placed it. So now I'm gonna just cut it out. So when you're cutting out the shoulder line where you spread, you just don't need to cut it out like that. So you can see what I'm doing. You hold it together. I can use your tracing wheel, but I don't have my tracing wheel close by, so I just cut it out with my scissors like that. So when you're done, this is what you're going to have. Our pattern is ready. So I'll take it down to the fabric and cut. So this is so easy to make. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to click on the like button, like and share, and please subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you.